Couldn't be more excited for this segment today. In Better Food, we're learning how to make baked stuffed shrimp.
And the good news is, if you don't want to make the dish at home, you can pick it up for a quick dinner.
Yeah. Lauren Siegel, owner of La Piastra, is here to show us how it's done. You're going to find stores in Rocky Hill and Glastonbury. So nice to see you again, Lauren.
Nice to see you as well.
And you're making one of my, this is my to-go-to. I look at the menu, and if it says baked stuffed shrimp, that's what I get.
You're in. Okay.
Yeah,
all right.
It's really terrific.
I'm more of a short rib girl, but I love our baked stuffed shrimp.
Isn't that what Kyle made the other night? Short ribs? We had short ribs on Sunday night. It was delicious.
Leftovers
so
tonight?
Good.
Oh my God. Yeah,
so good.
You got leftovers.
Yes, I did.
I left with nothing.
I asked for it.
All right, anyway, so we can either do this and you're going to show us how to do it.
Yes.
Or we can come in and leave with it and just go home and bake it off.
Correct.
Okay.
We're going to make it very simple for you. So I already just pre-started this. This is shallots and celery with a little bit of butter in the pan. I'm going to add in some clams.
Clams?
Ooh. Did you just buy those pre-done, or did you open clams? Or
we have them. We have clams at the shop, so because we're going to be doing a bunch of these now for the store and for all of our Valentine's orders. Thank you.
You're welcome.
A little lemon juice.
Delicious.
Yes. And then our garlic mashed potatoes.
Lauren, if we wanted to buy that in a grocery store, would we just buy clams in the can?
Yes, you can do that in the can.
Okay.
I'd probably rinse them a little. You can use some of the clam juice, but sometimes it's a little bit salty, so make sure you're checking that. Oops, one little piece flew away. There you go. Thank you. So this is, we have roasted garlic mashed potatoes. These are skin-on red bliss potatoes, so if you don't feel like making them, you could even just come pick up the garlic mashed potatoes from us if that's all you wanted to do.
Well, I think it's fantastic because it's just skin on, so you're getting a little bit of the health of the skin, plus it doesn't take you the time.
Oh yeah, this is a very healthy
Yes,
dish.
however you have to justify it, I understand. I put in some butter crackers here.
I think he's making fun of me.
No, never.
Buttered crackers. The butter seems to be...
I love putting the potatoes in this.
Oh, I'm telling you, with the clams and the shallots and the... I know.
I've never seen anything, preferably in the kitchen.
All right.
And these shrimp are so nice and big.
So these are U5s, and what that means is there's basically 5, maybe 6 to a pound, so they're gigundous.
Yeah.
So these, you don't have to take the entire shell off, just leave the tail on, and you can devein it just by cutting it down the middle, and then you can actually pull out if there's any black grossness. You can pull that out.
That's a nice big portion.
There you go.
Yes.
So
macaroni.
Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid.
Don't be afraid. Is right.
If you didn't want to do clams, could you do like crab meat in there or minced shrimp?
That's a great idea, Paul. Yes, you can certainly do any shrimp, any seafood profile you want in here. We just like the texture of the clams because everything else is kind of, you know, you give soft, so it gives you a little bit of chew.
I got to tell you, I'm a big clam guy as opposed to a crab guy.
Yeah. All right, good.
I just love clams.
You're gonna have to try. So then the very end of this is so super simple. And again, if you just want to get some of the stuff from us, like the garlic mashed potatoes, you can just do that. You're gonna top it with a little breadcrumbs. If you wanted to make these gluten-free, because we do a lot of gluten-free stuff in the store, you can use gluten-free breadcrumbs, or you can use gluten-free crackers, and all you have to do is put them in the oven.
Like cheese, you could do Parmesan.
Ooh, a little Parmesan.
Maybe
finish it off.
I wouldn't put it on. I don't like cheese, but people do like a little Parmesan.
Paul can't stand cheese. For anybody out there, we made a recipe yesterday with 5 cheeses. I was like, he's gonna have to sample this.
I was so happy this was breadcrumbs and not cheese.
I know. I looked at the top of it and I said, that's Parmesan, but it's not.
No.
That's fantastic.
So you can, and if you want to get this to crust up a little bit, you can, if you have a little olive oil spray or something, you can just give a quick zhuzh, put it in the oven at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. And yes, please, now you have to kind of dig in and try.
Now tell us about La Piastra. How does it work? Because I'm still like, I'm clueless.
We do fully cooked prepared meals to go, as you can see from our dish today. That's okay.
Look at it. Tell me. I'm sorry. While we get a camera shot of this, as I pull it away.
So we have our roasted vegetable risotto. So if you want to make the shrimp and you want the roasted vegetable risotto, that's actually all heated up. You can even try that if you want to, Scott.
Look at how beautiful. So in the front is the roasted
vegetable risotto here, and then we have our mesclun salad here that I dressed, and then the baked stuffed shrimp could be on the plate too.
Isn't that beautiful?
So you can just come in and get the sides if you want. So if you just want risotto and you're going to make steak, or if you want the garlic mashed potatoes, or if you want the whole meal, we can do it all for you.
Delicious.
We have taken our Valentine's orders already.
Oh, you have?
But we can still do the baked stuffed shrimp. So that's why we decided when we came on today that we're going to have packages ready to go for purchase, limited quantity. So if you want to call us ahead of time, we'd be happy to put one aside for you.
That is absolutely delicious.
Isn't it good?
Oh my God.
I know.
How long did that take?
Well, because the magic of TV. I mean, it took a lot. But it's probably going to take, I mean, if you make the garlic mashed potatoes, it's going to take you a little bit of time.
All right.
But if you come buy them from me, it won't take you that long.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Go in and buy them, and then you can put the ingredients together yourself.
Right. Doesn't take long.
And you look like you're the homie. You look like you're the
I
chef.
know, you look like a rock star.
All right, tell us where your wonderful place is.
We are located on the Silestine Highway, right across from McDonald's in Rocky Hill. We also have another location in Glastonbury on Hebron Avenue, right next to Sweet Frog.
Okay, and we love to have you.
Yes, I know. Thank you. I love being here. You guys are such a good audience.
And we love the food, too. It's fantastic.
Thank you.
All right, a little later on, a newly revealed list of the best cars to drive, another one of my favorite segments. I'm so excited about this.
And up next, medicines of old that may help with things like flu and stomach bugs and all the things that are bugging you this time of year. We're back in 2.
I wonder if risotto will help me with my cold.